The Carnival Committee under the Ponda Municipal Council is organizing carnival floats on the 11th of January. The floats will begin at 3:30 and after that we will have programs which will go on at Aguirre grounds. The float will start at Hotel Minino and go via the Dadavai Chowk, via the police station, Mount Carmel Chapel till Tiskar Aguirre grounds. We have various programs. On the 10th, we have a program wherein we'll have the inaugural and a theatre by name Aadhaar Card. On the 11th, on the 11th we'll have floats and there will be a musical show by Dr. Antonio and Russian dancers will be performing after the floats. On the 12th, we are having a Bingi's mimicry cum musical show, and this is going to be a different kind of program altogether. And on the last day, we'll have the prize distribution ceremony where the Honorable MP and Honorable MLA of our constituency will be present, and the prize distribution will take place, and that will be followed by a theatre by comedian Ambe by name Havani 2.
5 कॅटेगरी आसा: ट्रेडिशनल, क्लब्स, फंक जंक, फॅमिली आणि क्लाउन जोकर. ट्रेडिशनल आसा तांकां फर्स्ट प्रायज आसा 1 लाख, सेकंड प्रायज आसा 75,000, तिसरे प्रायज आसा 60,000, चौथे प्रायज आसा 45,000, पांचवे आसा 30,000 आणि हातूंत कन्सोलेशन प्रायजीस आसा 10,000ची 5 प्रायज आसा. मागीर क्लब इन्स्टिट्यूशनल आसा तांकां 60,000 पयलें प्रायज, दुसरे प्रायज 50,000, तिसरे 30,000, चौथे 20,000, पांचवे 12,000 आणि हातूंत भितर 5 कन्सोलेशन प्रायजीस आसा. फन जंग हातूंत हाजे पयलें प्रायज आसा 20,000, दुसरें आसा 18,000, तिसरें आसा 10,000, चौथें आसा 8,000 आणि पांचवें आसा. आमकां जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एमावंट जो आसा फोंडाक सँक्शन जाला तो 10 लाख आसा.